All right, so we got the pulse split squat. So you're gonna set up in the bottom position, half kneeling position. We got a vertical shin here on the front leg. I got a straight line going from my knee, hip pocket, shoulder on the opposite side. What I'm gonna do is, if you look at yourself in the mirror, one thing I wanna make note of, because this would be a common thing that I see people do, and it's why I have them start from the bottom rather than at the top, because a lot of times they'll end up in this position if they start at the top and go down to the bottom, rather than vice versa, is they'll start with the hip back like this, and then they go up, and they can't maintain their balance, they can't maintain pressure down into the ground. So what I want you to do, if that is you, you're gonna go think with your hip pocket here, or your waistband on your shorts, whatever, clothing item you're wearing, pants, whatever. You're gonna think about tilting that up towards your chin. And when you get that tilt, you're gonna feel a little bit of a stretch through the front of your thigh. You're gonna push down into the front foot. Think of like there's a bunch of bugs underneath your feet, or underneath your foot, you're trying to squash them. You should feel your hamstrings engage on that front leg. Then from there, I'm just gonna continue to push into the ground with that front leg, quarter of the way up. I'm sinking back down. There's my pulse. Okay, so that'd be pulse split squat.